Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to explain the ICT simple strategy called AMD cycle and lit cycle. With this simple strategy, I got funded over 500k in FTMO combined with the MFF. In this video, I will explain the full strategy, how I take the trades using the AMD cycle and LIT cycle. So let's go into the video. AMD cycle means it's nothing but A means accumulation. Accumulation means it's a retail pattern of liquidity on the both sides, and we should always wait for the manipulation of the either side of the markets. Either buy side liquidity is taken or sell side liquidity, like same setup for sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity taken, we should target the buy side liquidity. This is the manipulation phase. For this scenario, this is the manipulation phase. This is the scenario 1 and this is the scenario 2. Okay, in this scenario, this is the manipulation phase. For this scenario, this is the manipulation phase, and this phase is accumulation phase, right? Accumulation phase, and this is manipulation phase. This move manipulates many type of traders. In this move, there are tons of liquidity here because the smart money people who are trading only the smart money concepts, they think this is a break of the structure, and they will play this order block. They want to sell from here. They will have the sell positions from here. They will try to sell here. They don't know about the liquidity concept, right? So the smart money people become liquidity, and the both retail traders and the smart money people will become liquidity here. Here the traders who are following the algo trading style will win the race here. See, with our strategy, we enter here. This is our entry. I will be here. 2 pip stop loss or 3 pip stop loss. Target here. This is how we will be always in the right direction in the market and target this. This is where the smart money people get trapped, and this is where the retail people get trapped. Because why the retail people get trapped is they will think about the patterns, right? If they got breaker at one side with a huge volume, they will sell and their stop loss will be here. Here, both the retailers and the smart money people got out in the market here, and here is our move. This is our trade, simple trade. And same thing, here we enter, wait for the distribution phase, and this is the real move, distribution move. Today I caught a trade using this same strategy what I am showing you guys. This is a very simple strategy. I have done many videos about this AMD cycle before. Please make sure you subscribe the channel and watch the previous videos because there is lot of valuable content where the people in Instagram and YouTube are charging thousands of dollars with this simple stuff. They are even taking the smart money people very bullshit things. This is the real stuff, guys. This is how the market moves. Market moves from liquidity. It's not moves from retail patterns, etc. Those are all lies, bro. This is the trading matrix because the brokers want to get commissions from you by make you do our trading. They install you the false education in your subconscious minds. That why the emotions will come to you while trading. This is how the banks will trade and the investment firms will trade. This is what the liquidity is. See, again, after the accumulation, manipulation, and now the real moves occur. Target the sell side liquidity. So, this is how the market moves, right? Now, I will explain the real chart examples of the strategy so that you can get a real idea how to use this strategy and apply into the real markets, right? See, what you should do is you should just look at the charts on the bird's eye view, not closely like this, just along the charts. You should identify a liquidity pattern first. You should just identify a liquidity pattern. Can you see? My eyes are trying to view the liquidity patterns in the market. This is the retail trendline liquidity. Retail trendline liquidity. Right? This is the retail trendline liquidity. Can you see? Can you see the accumulation phase? This is the accumulation. This is the accumulation of the liquidity. Let me mark you clearly for your doubts. Accumulation phase. And this is the manipulation phase. See, can you see this bullish pressure candle? Can you see this bullish consecutive candles? After seeing this, bearish candles, what the retailers will think is the retailers want to sell the market because the 15 minutes candle has sold here, has closed after the break, right? So what retailers will do is they will take the sell here from this candle and stop loss above this candle somewhere. They will do like this 1:2 or something. See, and again the smart money people will play this breaker block, or they will play this extreme order block. See how many times the retailers got caught up there. Traps, there are total 3 traps in this. This is one trap, and this is another trap. This is how the market traps both the retailers and the smart money people on the regular basis. This happened daily, bro. This happened daily. This is how the liquidity cycle works. This is just a 20% knowledge of the liquidity cycle I use. I already teach the 100% to my mentorship students. If you want to join my private group, just comment the video below. I will add you in my private group. See, this is the retailer trap, and this is the first smart money breaker block trap, and this is the extreme smart money trap. Okay, retailers liquidity trap, smart money people liquidity trap, and finally this is the extreme liquidity trap. Cool, right? This is where we enter the market. This is where enter the market and target the buy side liquidity. Again the same thing. After the buy side liquidity is taken, what will happen? Sell side liquidity is taken. The market is just moving on ping pong, bro. The market always moves from one side of the liquidity to the another side of the liquidity. This is what algo traders expect the markets to do. Can you see exactly after taking the buy side liquidity of the chart pattern deception, the market just reverse. This is where I will be. This is where I sell the market. 10 pip stop loss. And again, I always target the sell side liquidity. And again, in this fractal scenario also, there will be some smart money traps. Now I will show you. Can you see this fake break of the structure towards the upwards? This is the fake break of the structure, and smart money people will sell from here. Smart money people will trying to buy from here, and we sell from here because of the liquidity graph. Liquidity is made for our algo traders. This is how I trade the markets, and I will enter a scaled position here. 3.5 stop loss, and same target the liquidity. Can you see in the same day how many positions we are taking? 20 RR, 28 RR, 30 RR. This is how the real banks and the smart money people will trade, bro. The smart money people that people are teaching in the Instagram and YouTube are useless, bro. If you don't understand the liquidity, the smart money concepts are useless, bro. This is what moves the market. Liquidity is the main driver. See, again the same thing. There is another liquidity pattern is there. This is one build up, and this is one build up. See, same thing. Buy side liquidity is taken with speed and aggression. Speed and aggression. And we sold here at the top edge in my FTMO account, and we should target the always. Can you see this build up again? Target this liquidity. This is how the real trading, bro. Liquidity point to the liquidity point. I'm sharing you the stuff, bro. No other channel in the YouTube is sharing this knowledge. Every people you learn from the past have contacts with the broker. They always want you to revenge trade and over trade with huge amount of quantities, because the educators who teach you those fake concepts will earn the commission from the broker. This is called the broker agreements. I don't have that shit, bro. I am teaching you the real education. Make sure you use it wisely. Make sure you subscribe the channel and like the videos and watch all the content. This is the very very undervalued content, bro. Please watch it, watch it, watch it. This is how the banks trade. Liquidity point to the liquidity point. From tomorrow or after 2 days, more likely the market will take this liquidity, and again it will go up. This is how the market will do ping pong. Right? Hope you got enjoyed the video. If you wanna join the private group mentorship, please comment below. Have a nice day, guys. Peace.